Oh, this one. Let's go. Start from the beginning pala.
This is fox.
Start from the beginning. These are the animals. Oh, what's this? Okay. Okay.
Lion.
Sige, you name them one by one.
I don't like gorilla.
No, it is a wild animal. It will eat you.
It's a big animal.
What's this?
This is big animal.
Oh,
And
what's-
the big animal. And the big animal. And the big
This is small. This is big, big, big. What's this?
This is a mama baby.
What's this?
Lion.
This one.
This is a baby giraffe.
Yeah.
What's the mama giraffe?
It's on the there, far, far. This one.
Elephant.
This one.
Dash.
No.
Leopard.
Oh, leopard. This one.
Rhinoceros.
Rhinoceros.
Yeah.
This one.
Hippopotamus.
Hippopotamus. This one.
Tiger.
This one.
Gorilla. Giraffe.
Okay, next page. This one.
Bear.
This one.
Reindeer.
Huh?
Reindeer.
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 This one.
Crocodile.
Crocodile. This one. Porcupine.
Porcupine.
This one.
Kangaroo. Panda. Fox. Wolf.
Queen. Next page. This one.
Zebra.
This one.
Monkey. Koala bear.
Koala bear. Good job. This one.
It's like a ostrich again.
Ostrich. This one.
Deer. Snake.
Yuck. This one. What's this? Raccoon.
Raccoon.
This one.
Yak.
Yuck. It's a big animal also. This one.
Squirrel.
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 This one.
It's like a horse again.
Hyena.
Hyena.
Mandrill.
Mandrill. Well, I don't like man.
Oh, it's like a monkey.
This
This one.
is scary.
This one.
It's like the elephant
Oh,
again.
it's a tapir.
Tapir.
This one.
Camel.
This one.
Cow. It's like a carabao again.
It's a bull.
Bull.
This one. Buffalo.
Buffalo.
This one.
Goat.
This one.
Sheep. Cat. Bunny or rabbit.
Oh, bunny or rabbit. This one.
Horse. Donkey. Dog.
Iguana.
Iguana.
Next page. This one.
Duck.
Clock. No, ito yung titila. Oh, rooster.
Rooster.
This one. Clock.
Lock.
It's a hen.
Chicken.
Hen.
Potato.
Mm.
Bird. Frog. Mouse.
Turkey.
This is kind of birds.
Yeah. This one.
Uh,
Goose.
Goose.
Next.
Whale. Dolphin.
Stingray.
Stingray. Like other funny's papa.
This one. P.
It's like a shark again.
No, it's a pira.
It's like a shark again. This
Yeah.
one, there's a shark.
Oh. Piranha.
You wanna why?
This one. Porcupine fish.
Porcupine fish.
Swordfish.
Swordfish.
Killer whale.
Killer whale.
This one.
Crab. This like that toy crab. Caleb is playing the toy crab.
Caleb is playing the crab. This one.
That toy crab. With bubbles.
This one.
With bubbles.
This one.
Starfish.
This one.
turtle.
Turtle. This one.
Turtle. It's like an octopus.
It's a squid.
Squid.
This one.
Jellyfish.
Mm.
Octopus. Sea horse.
Crab.
Crab.
Oyster.
This is clownfish. Is a Nemo.
Nemo.
This
It's
is
like
like
Nemo.
snake.
Yeah, it's an eel.
Eel like a snake.
Oh, this one.
It's
Peacock.
like they kind of birds.
Mm-mm.
Birds.
Let's go to the insects. It's here.
Bird.
These are insects. What's this?
Bee. Dragonfly.
This one.
Ladybug.
This one.
Butterfly.
So cute. Next.
Cat.
Grass.
Hopper. Grasshopper.
Oh,
It's a picture like an ant.
yeah, this one.
There's like at the light.
Yeah, it's a moth.
Moth. Praying mantis.
Yay!
Langaw.
What's in English? Langaw. It's a fly.
Fly. Fly langaw.
Oh,
It's like ibis again.
termite.
Termite. Spider. Cockroach.
Cockroach. This one.
Mosquito.
Yucky. Oh, we're done na pala eh. Yay! Good job!